All right, language explorer. So let's look at today's word of the day. Indicator. 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 So that's like a dial. Oops. Dial, perhaps, or indicator. No, not quite. Okay. Right. So something that gives you information at the right time and in a certain way. It gives you information about something else. Gives you information about something else. Yeah. So this indicates how much fuel you have. Yeah. I know how to read that indicator. He uses that indicator a lot. She read that indicator about the market. It was a warning indicator. It was a warning indicator as to what is going to happen. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. The indicator is warning us not to do that. No. Yeah. I like this indicator because it is very useful and easy to read. Yeah. I understand it. What do these indicators mean? Yeah. We can use a lot of different indicators. We're spoilt for choice. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Cars have had indicators on them for years. Yeah. So things like this have been on cars. So cars have different indicators for things like fuel, speed, temperature. Temperature, yeah. Hot and cold. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? I'm watching these technical indicators so I can make my decision. By reading those indicators, we can make better choices. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. We need to watch these indicators carefully over time. Yeah. See, those indicators could change suddenly. We have to be careful with them. They might change suddenly. We have to be careful with them. How cool is that? Yeah. So, can you use indicator in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.